Hello, my crochet angel. How are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel and my Facebook page. Today's tutorial is crochet baby head. This is very easy pattern. I hope you will like this tutorial. In this project, I will use this lion brand wool. Let's get started. First, I make a slip knot and I'm doing 5 chain. I make a slip stitch in the first chain. Now I make a chain ring. 3 chain and 18 double crochet into this chain ring. I love this yarn because this is so colorful. I make a lot of project in this yarn. So this is the first round, and first round I just making double crochet, 18 double crochet in this chain ring. I almost done the first round. When I'm finished first round, I'll start at second round. I finished first round. Now I'm started second round. Second round is 1 double crochet increase every chain stitch. That means 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet in every chain stitch. For this reason it will be bigger and circle. I just increase 1 double crochet in every chain stitch. So 1 chain stitch equal 2 double crochet. This is second round. When I finish second round, I'll start at third round. This is very easy pattern. Anyone can make very easily, but this is so beautiful. This head, I really like it. I hope you like it too. I love to make baby items like baby head, baby shoes. I love to work on this. This is my favorite. I love to do every baby product. So I almost done second round. Now this color is changed. You can see it's pink. Before was pink, now it's yellow color. And second round is finished. Now I'll start at third round. Third round is very easy. Just 1 double crochet increase after 2 double crochet. So I make a 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. Then now I'm increase 1 double crochet, and then the same stitch I make another double crochet. That means increase. So 1 double crochet, then 1 double crochet. Now I'm increasing 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and same chain stitch I make another double crochet, so I increase 1. I maintain the same stitch until finish this round. So 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet, and now 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet in the same chain stitch. I maintain the same stitch until finish this round. I like lion band yarn because it's so colorful and nice shade color. Now it's pink, then yellow, then blue, then peach color. So beautiful a color shade. That's why I like this brand. It's really pretty color. I almost done third round, and after third round I'll make design. I make a slip stitch and my third round is complete. You can see now I'm starting with design. So 3 chain, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, so total 3 double crochet because 3 chain is equal to 1 double crochet, then 1 chain, then again 3 double crochet. You can see it's 3 double crochet, 1 chain, 3 double crochet. Again 1 double crochet after 3 chain, 1 2 3. Now the 4 number chain I make a double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and double crochet 3. 3 double crochet, 1 chain, and again 3 double crochet in the same chain stitch. Now again after 3 chain I make a 3 double crochet, 1 chain, and 3 double crochet. I maintain this same stitch until finish this head. Now you can see the color change. Before was yellow, now it's blue color. That's why I like this yarn. So colorful, so pretty. My first round is complete. It looks so pretty. Now I'm doing again second round design. I make a slip stitch 1, slip stitch 2, and slip stitch 3 to come to the middle. Now I'm making 3 chain, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet, 1 chain, and 3 double crochet in the same chain stitch. Again 1 double crochet in this page, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet, 1 chain, and 3 double crochet. I maintain the same stitch until finish this head. I love this design, it's really pretty. So again I'm doing 3 double crochet, 1 chain and 3 double crochet. It's how it look like, it's so pretty. So I finished second round, you see. Now I'll start it third round in this design. I'm making 1 slip stitch, then 2 slip stitch, come to the middle, and then again 3 chain and 2 double crochet. 1 chain and 3 double crochet in the same space. I finished 6th round. Now I make a slip stitch and cut the yarn. And I'm locking this tail with this needle. I show you every details. Now I cut extra yarn. So this is the look. I'm done. This head, now I need to some decoration. You see this flower and this flower. This 2 flower video link will be in my description box below. Please check over here. And I am using this pearl by hand stitch in this place. Now it will be more colorful and more beautiful. Now I'm doing hand stitch. My hand stitch is complete. Now this flower, you can see, is so pretty. This is my hand stitch. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is the final look. And you can see so colorful, so pretty. This is the back side. This is the front side. Both side is so colorful, so pretty. If you subscribe my channel, thank you so much. And if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for getting my new video notification. Bye bye.